In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-voice dialogue on ElevenLabs. We'll walk through a quick, beginner-friendly workflow to go from a blank page to a short conversation using two distinct voices. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs, then look for the official ElevenLabs site in the results and click it. If you're asked to sign in or create an account, follow the on-screen prompts so you can access the tools. Once you're on the site, navigate to Text-to-Speech. This is the workspace where you'll write your lines and assign voices. Inside text-to-speech, select the 11v3 Alpha model. This model is designed for natural, expressive delivery and works well for multi-voice dialogue. If you see slightly different names or versions, choose the most recent 11 model available. Now it's time to create your first line. In the text box, type, "Hello, nice to meet you." Use clear punctuation to help the voice engine add natural pauses. Short sentences are easier to control, especially when you're just getting started. Next, click Add Speaker. This gives you a second voice lane for the reply. To make the two characters sound distinct, change the voice for this new speaker. Pick a contrasting tone, maybe a different gender, age, or accent, so it's easy for listeners to tell who's speaking. If there are style sliders or settings, you can leave them at default for now. You can always fine-tune later. For clarity, keep each speaker's lines within their own section rather than stacking everything in one block. Line breaks help the model understand turns, and quotation marks are optional. Punctuation and speaker blocks do most of the work. Also, read your script aloud once before generating. If it sounds clear to you, it will usually render more naturally. With the second speaker selected, add the response, "Nice to meet you too." Keep your punctuation consistent so both lines feel like part of the same scene. If the dialogue sounds rushed in your head, add a comma or a period to create a pause. After playback, use headphones to catch small artifacts like breaths or sibilants. Minor text tweaks often fix these faster than adjusting advanced settings. When your two lines and voices are ready, click Generate Speech. The system will process your input and produce an audio clip with both speakers. Listen to the result from start to finish. If a word is mispronounced, adjust the spelling or add a comma to guide the rhythm, then generate again. You can repeat this as needed until the pacing and tone feel natural. And that's it. Two clear voices, one short exchange, created directly in ElevenLabs.